What's up, guys?
Hi.
Morning, afternoon, whatever, evening.
I mean, it's morning for us.
No, it's not. It's 2:23 in the afternoon. Who am I kidding? We decided to go out on a walk today. Go explore one of the local nature preserves, Arbor Hills Nature Preserve in Plano. Look around behind us. See, we're like in the middle of Texas.
It feels like the woods.
And the trees.
Yeah.
There's still.
OMG.
There's still, you can still hear kids, unfortunately, but
yeah,
you know that's what happens when there's families.
They're headed this way. So.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go this way. I don't even know. What was the name of this trail?
I don't remember.
I don't know. We'll catch it at the end.
But yeah, it's like a real, for real. Like I kind of feel like I'm in the woods, which is kind of awesome.
Yeah.
There's trees. The trail is a little rough. There is a smooth, nice, friendly cement trail that you can go down.
That's not as interesting as this.
Correct.
All right.
We decided to take a more difficult journey. And that's good.
Yeah. So
Really
go a little
pretty.
off the beaten path here. Ooh, I'm sure you guys can hear it, but there's water. I don't know how to change the rotation on this.
I think you just hit the camera button.
No.
At the top.
No.
Okay. Sure.
There you go. Some water.
Yes, there's a water feature. Fun.
There's a
Ooh, another human. Hello.
waterfall. Hello. Alright. Things go out of frame a little bit, guys. I'm sorry. I'm trying not to fall. But yeah,
I miss trail running. I could actually come and do some trail running here.
I miss just hiking through the woods.
Yeah.
It's kind of nice.
That is nice.
You know? Lived here for 4 years and we've never been to this place.
Nope. And he didn't want to come today, and I made
Nope.
him.
Nope. Sure didn't. I don't know. Just one of those days. You don't feel like doing anything. Just get off the couch. Get out. Go do something.
I made him.
You know?
And we found a really pretty place.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Oh, there's a walk there.
Yep. There's a big tree too.
This is really cool. I'm really happy that we came here.
Definitely. Well, this is gonna have to be our new
Sunday afternoon stroll.
Stroll. Yes.
The trails are pretty easy. They're a little steep here and there.
Yeah, it's not too bad, guys. I officially hit 459 yesterday, so I'm 459 pounds.
There's a large tree there.
It's a large tree. All right, I'm gonna show you guys. It's a little sketchy.
That's okay. We just step right around it.
Ooh, this is Yes.
Okay. Hello.
Sketchy.
That's okay.
There.
Yep.
Okay. Well, nothing like a little bit of a sketchy trail in the morning.
I have lots of experience going around very sketchy areas.
Yeah.
This is so cool.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah, and it's 200 acres. That's
Yeah,
a lot of
it's a
acres.
200-acre park.
It's really neat.
Yeah, there's so much stuff around here, guys. So many trails, and I'm just kind of hiking through the woods here, finding people, coming across people. So we're trying not to
Film somebody's kids.
film somebody's kids, be respectful of other people, things like that. You know. Okay.
Oh, I bet this is really pretty in like September, end of September.
Because you can see
when everything has changed colors.
Yeah,
That is
because you can
gorgeous.
see all the trees are just barren.
Absolutely.
Right
Yeah, because we're kind of in winter, even though it's only like 60 degrees.
now. Yeah. All right. Let's
Let's
walk.
walk.
Continue. our adventure.
That's where we're going.
Right. And then left. Yeah, let's go this way. Alright, so apparently we've gone on 3 different trails already, and I have no idea what
we have
we're
no
on
idea
right
where we're at,
now. Oops.
which is kind of awesome and a little scary at the same time.
Alright.
Armadillo Alley.
Armadillo Alley. Let's
that
go
where
for
we're going?
Armadillo Alley.
Okay. Let's go.
Yep.
Maybe we'll see some armadillos.
Maybe. That'd be cool.
That'd be a first for
It
you.
would be a first for me. I've never seen an armadillo. 5 years in Texas. I've never seen one live. Seen a few dead on the side of the road.
Yeah.
But
You see the dead ones, unfortunately.
never seen a live one.
Okay, so Blue Jay is where we
Blue Jay
started.
Byway is where we started.
So do we want to go that way or do we want to go this way?
Should have left my jacket in the car.
I know it's kind of warm enough to not wear a jacket.
It's chilly enough that you need it
It'd
when
be
you're...
chilly if you're not walking around, but once you start moving, man.
Right. So yeah, we're going to start doing this every Sunday. Go out and find a new trail. You know, something we talked about for a while now and just been kind of...
Well, we had this great idea of doing it every Sunday, and then we couldn't because it's like when we came up with this idea, we had an entire month of rain.
Yeah.
The whole
Month and a half of rain.
So we kind of never had good weather to do it. So now we're having some decent weather, so we're trying to bring this to fruition.
Yeah. Let's go this way. And really the only reason that we're doing the off-road trail today is to grab a pair of my boots that
I don't know if that's a trail.
looks like one. It looks like one, but let's go this
A
way.
little more trail-like.
Yeah. Oh! And that's why I have boots on. Ground's a little wet out here.
A little bit.
A little bit, still. It rained a couple days ago.
It's that time of year.
Yeah.
Here in Texas where the weather's changing.
It's really pretty out here.
It really is.
You know, there's stuff like this in every city, though. You know? Just look around.
And boom, we're back
Look
to
on the
Monkey
internet.
Trail.
And, you know, find some places near you that are nature preserves or some kind of park or something, and find a new place to walk.
Yep.
You know, it might be, you might only get 15-minute walk in, but
15 minutes is better than no minutes, always.
better than no minutes, and doing hills is a lot easier, a lot harder.
You gonna try that again?
Let's try that again. Doing hills is a lot harder than just level ground or just concrete.
It's gonna give you more of a
So,
workout in a
give
shorter
more
amount of
workout.
time.
And it's a lot of fun. But I think that's gonna be it for us for now, guys. Go back to the car, drop some stuff off. And,
If you're in the North Dallas area, what is it? Arbor
Hills Nature Preserve.
It's really
it's
awesome.
a really nice trail.
Beautiful.
Really nice area.
It's free.
Yeah, it's free.
Don't
That's
have
even
to pay
better.
anything to get in.
And yeah, we'll have to start exploring some more trails out here. There's a whole bunch of them. There's, like Britt said
tons.
earlier, there's 200 acres of green space out here.
And trees
So,
and all kinds of fun stuff.
We'll definitely do more from out here, but That's it for us, guys. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. Just search for Fatty Confessionals. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, hit that
YouTube?
bell for notifications on YouTube, and we'll see you later. Have a good
Bye.
night.